You, the queen who always corrects everyone's grammar in group chats or Facebook or wherever. Today is your day. You are going to love me for this one. Okay, girl, what if I can tell you that you can make extra money from your couch? Yes. No degree, no startup money, just your brain and your laptop and your internet connection, and you're good to go. So let's talk about online tutoring. This is the best online side hustle that you can do that nobody is stressing enough. Hey money makers, my name is Brenda and welcome to Journey with Brenda. If you're looking for ways to make legit online money, then this is your place to be. So in today's video, I am going to be breaking down how you can make extra money as a busy woman working your 9 to 5. It doesn't matter even if you're a dad working your 9 to 5, you can make an extra income from the comfort of your home with online tutoring. And you do not need any upfront cost, whether you're good in maths, English, and just explaining simple things. You can start right away and get paid for it. So here's what you're going to learn. 1, best websites for online tutoring, no degrees needed. Number 2, how much you can actually make. Number 3, how to fit tutoring in your busy schedule. And number 4 is tips to start strong without burning yourself out. And the best part is, like I said before, this side hustle is perfect for stay-at-home moms, working moms, college students, working dads, side hustlers, and just anyone trying to escape at the 9 to 5 grind. Why is tutoring the best online side hustle for you? Let's keep it real and let's be honest with each other here. We are tired of the 9 to 5 is moms, working moms and students and all that. We are tired, and yet we are still broke by the 10th. By the 15th, we are broke already. So online tutoring is one of those easiest ways to make money online without even spending money to get started. You already know stuff, all right? Nobody can say that they know nothing. You already know stuff. You know algebra, you know Spanish, you know French, you know Xhosa, you know Zulu, whatever you know, and you even know how to do stuff around the house or whatever you know, you can teach that to other people who wants to learn as well. And the best part is you pick your own hours, weeknights, weekends, and even your lunch break if your Wi-Fi is strong, or when you're just chilling around and you have nothing to do, you can work and make money. So I am going to give you the best platforms, best tutoring platforms, and the ones that are worth your time or that can be good for you. Number 1, there is Check Tutors. This is great if you know your stuff and want to make a quick buck. Number 2 is going to be Preply. This is perfect for language tutors. You don't need a degree, just good vibes and grammar. Number 3 is Tutor.com. This is more structured. But there is solid pay on this one. And there is Wayzend. I don't know if I'm spelling that one correctly. And you can set your own rates. That means you can be your own boss. Number 4, there is VIP Kids. If you like kids and you have a bachelor's, this one is for you. You can teach kids and tutor kids. This is usually huge in China. So let's go into how much you are looking to make. How much can you make by tutoring people online? So basically, most tutors start making around $15 to $30 per hour, but some can pull up even to $50 US per hour. So if you're tutoring in demand subjects or test preps, then that is how you can bake in a lot of money. And also, let's say when you've been tutoring for long and you have got great reviews and all that, so it just depends with your experience and stuff like that. So let's look into how you can start if you're somebody who is really busy. Yes, I know that maybe you're a professional, you're working, and your Google Calendar is giving you stress, or maybe you do just go by how life goes for you. But I just want to encourage you, and let's look into how you can make that work for you as somebody who is busy. Start with 1 to 2 hours a week. You can start small. Just start with 1 to 2 hours a week. You do not need to go big when you're just starting. That's it. Just batch your sessions on weekends or after work, and then you know that after work, from 5 or from 7, I'm doing this and I am starting to do my hustle. And you can also use tools like Google Calendar or Notion to stay organized. Don't even overthink it sometimes. Just go with the flow and organize your life. It only requires your determination and organization. If you're willing to do this, you can be able to squeeze in the time for you to do it, period. You don't even need or have to overthink everything, because your tutors are not even going to look for for Harvard level lectures. They just want you to be there and to be helpful and to be consistent as well. That is all that it takes, for consistency and just the love for doing it, and you find that you will go with the flow and you succeed. And let's look into the tips, pro tips that can help you get clients quick and students quick and get that bag and make that money. You need to have a clear and fire profile. Like, you need to have a clear picture of yourself, a short video intro, highlight your vibe. You need to have that. You need, especially if you're working with kids, you need to show that you have that vibe, that love for what you're doing in those videos, in that short video of yours. So yeah, make sure that your profile explains you, and it shows your personality as well. And number 2 tip is that you can offer free sessions, maybe 15-minute sessions for new students, so that you can get clients quick and all that. And pro tip number 3 is that you need to make sure that you collect reviews. Like, when you're done with your sessions, just tell them, okay, can you give me a review, blah blah blah, that kind of thing. You need to speak out. And pro tip number 4, you need to always keep learning and leveling up. YouTube is your go-to. Blogs, whatever material that you can find online, you need to learn that. YouTube is your goldmine. Like, there is a lot of learning to do on YouTube, and it is free as well. You need to be that tutor who is there, who is willing to give quality results to their students. So yeah, that's it from me, guys. So what are you waiting for? Because if you have got a laptop right now and a good quality Wi-Fi connection that is super strong, a brain that is full of ideas, brilliance, and creativity, what are you waiting for? There is nothing you are waiting for. All you just need is to apply. And you also need a tutor certificate, and they are free tutoring certificates or ones that you can pay for online, and that can also increase your chances of getting accepted on these platforms. So just go ahead, guys. Online tutoring is low effort, it is high reward side hustle that you can be able to stack that bag, that you can be able to to make that extra income from while you are keeping your 9 to 5. It won't hurt to try, guys. You need to try every side hustle. You need to try everything and figure out what works for you and what you love doing, and then stick to that. So if you like this video, please don't forget to like it, share it with your friends and family. Also, do not forget to drop the comments. If you're going to give this side hustle a shot, drop the comments down below. I also want to know, and also let me know how it goes if you do apply. And yeah, guys, subscribe to the channel. if you still want to watch this kind of videos. So until the next one, love you.